Hey, what's going on, traders? Taking a look at the market today. Market's open December 27th. Market's flying high. We are going to take a look at the market indices and the stock market micro futures. Market's in the green. Had a nice little vacation. Market was closed on Friday, Christmas Eve, throughout the weekend, and we're back here on Monday, and we're up. So, taking a look here at the Russell 2000, if you take a look up here, you can see that March 22 is the front month micro futures now. So make sure you're trading in the correct month. So the Russell is up 14 points. A short position that was over in our Patreon trading group was recently closed out. That was a short position. And it looks like we are heading higher here on the Russell. We'll see if we can get past this high right here of 2277.70. Or will the Russell print a lower high? It's in a little bit of a crucial time here. All right, that is the Russell 2000. Let's jump over here to the micro Bitcoin futures. So the Patreon group, you will get trading signals as well for the micro Bitcoin futures. So these, all of our signals right now are for the Jan 22's micro Bitcoin futures. That's noted in the group, but I just want to mention that again. So as well as the Russell, we'll give you guys a little sneak peek here. The micro Bitcoin futures, the portfolio was short for a long time. That position has been closed, and we are in some limbo here with what Bitcoin and the micro Bitcoin futures is going to do next. But our short trade was stopped out, and the group is waiting for the next trade entry. So we will see which way Bitcoin goes here. As the same as the Russell, we're in some limbo with Bitcoin, the micro futures. All right, that's where we're at there. You can see we're below the 50-day moving average, trading right at the 21-day moving average. So if you're trading those signals, you just wait to be filled at the appropriate prices that are listed in the group. All right, so moving on from micro Bitcoin, we will go to the S&Ps, micro S&Ps, E-mini futures, also trading in the March 22s, which would be the front month trading contract. As you can see, micro S&Ps are up 44.5 handles today. They are ripping to the upside, and they are trading at a new all-time high. What an incredible market this is. We are also trading above the 50-day, above the 21-day, and also well above the 200-day moving averages. S&P micro futures are trading at 47.60 right now, 47.60 and a quarter, give or take. So that's where they're at. And those traders following those signals should be in the appropriate positions with the appropriate stops, protective stops in place. All right, so that is a little take on the S&Ps. Something that is just standing out right here as this low right here on December 20th was a higher low for what it's worth. And be interesting to see where the S&Ps and the other market indices close today. Do they hold this new all-time high up here? Do reverse and close below these wicks here on the 16th and the 22nd of November? Who knows? All right, little S&Ps. Let's see. We did the Russell, Bitcoin, S&Ps. Let's go to the Dow, which would be right here. Also trading in the March 22s, as you can see right up here, front month. Not quite an all-time high yet for the micro E-mini Dow futures. Looks like an all-time high will be 36,360. If we can get above that, that will be an all-time high for the micro Dow futures. As well, we can see we printed a higher low, which would be a higher low than the December 1st, which is also a higher low than the October 1st. And we'll see if this thing can go up to here and print a higher high. So that's the Dow Micro Futures, up 197 handles right now, 11 a.m. on December 27th. And to wrap this up, let's go over to tech. We will check out the Micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 Futures, March 22's front month. Pretty interesting here, looking at the futures of the micro NASDAQs. We undercut this low here, the low on December 3rd. We undercut that low on December 20th, and then we've been moving higher ever since. Pretty interesting. You'll see the market do that sometimes. It'll take out a low or a high and then not hold that position and reverse in the opposite direction. For whatever reason it does that. Perhaps it's to get lots of traders on the wrong side of the market and to trigger lots of stops. And then it does the opposite and moves in the opposite direction. So, little undercut there for the NASDAQ. A little double bottom look to it. If you're into the chart patterns, that could be a double bottom. And we're moving higher here. So NASDAQ not quite at an all-time high, but if it is going to follow the other indices, it's probably only a matter of time for tech. All right, so just a little run through of the micro futures, kind of where they're sitting. As always, if you want entry and exit signals for the micro futures products, I will drop a link below the video for our Patreon trading group. We have micro futures entry and exit, as well as short signals for the Russell 2000, the micro Bitcoin, the micro S&Ps, the micro NASDAQ, and also the micro Dow. We also have a specific group that just trades the micro Bitcoin futures. So if you're into crypto and you like Bitcoin, you might want to check out that group. That'll also give you long and short signals for the smaller contracts, which are the micro Bitcoin futures contracts. All right, everybody. As always, check us out on Instagram. We have a Twitter and obviously this YouTube channel and Patreon. We do have plans to add a Discord server to the Patreon trading groups, and we will post that as soon as it's ready. All right, everybody, take care. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.